Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Amrul Fikri bin Azharuddin, manometric 10DJL 21F1023.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name Muhammad Amin Amirul bin Mazuki. My metric number 10DJL 31F1021.
And my name is Muhammad Zulkifli bin Ghazali. My metric number is 10DJL 21F1014.
Hi, my name is Zulkarnain bin Yusri. My metric is 10DJL 21F1032.
So for our introduction is hydroelectric power is renewable energy source that generate power by using dam or division structure to alter the natural flow of a river or other body water. After that, type of component of hydroelectric power plant. First, receiver. The receiver is the most essential part of the hydro power plant. It stores the water and supplies it down to the hydro turbine for electricity generation. Second, forebay. A forebay is an area to temporarily store the water before flowing it down to the turbine. Next is dam. A dam is the most expensive element of the hydroelectric power plant. It is a barrier structure across the water body to restrict the flow to the naturally flowing water and raise the water level in the receiver. After that, the spillway safely divert the extra water from the receiver to a downstream area. And number 5 is tail raise. The water left at the hydroelectric plant after being generated electricity by the hydro turbine is carried away from that area to the channel. Number 6 is penstock. Penstock are the channel or large pipe at the hydroelectric station that carry the water down to the turbine at the power station from the receiver. 7. Water intake. The water intake include the structure to collect the water stored in the receiver or forebay and direct it toward to the turbine through the penstock.
After that, 8. Sluice. Sluice is the gate that is installed at the end of the penstock. Number 9. Surge tank. To control the pressure change, small cylinder water storage tank called surge tank are used. And number 10. Powerhouse. The powerhouse is responsible for control the various inlet and outlet gate and stopping the flow water in the equipment area case if repairing, changing and parts equipment. 11. Impulse turbine. This turbine is preferred for the high water heat and low water flow. 12. Draft tube. The draft tube is a conduct of a pipe of appropriate diameter that's a connector from the turbine runner to the trail race. 13 is generator. The electric generator use of the hydroelectric power plant convert the mechanical energy of the water turbine into electrical energy. Lastly, transformer. The electricity generated by the hydroelectric power plant is not the appropriate voltage that can be used at the home or the other general purpose, which is why transformers are used at the hydroelectric power station.
Operation and maintenance for hydroelectric power plant is the maintenance of the hydro power plant can be categorized into two parts. First, preventive maintenance and corrective maintenance. Preventive maintenance can be classified into plant, conditional and predictive maintenance, whereas corrective maintenance is employed in an emergency.
The advantages of hydro power plant is the cheapest hydro power plant. It is the cheapest method of electricity generation in a long run. The dams, once constructed, usually last for an average of 50 to 100 years and only requires some maintenance costs after its establishment.
For disadvantages of hydro power plant is need a suitable location. the hydro power plant can only be established in suitable location, and these locations are very limited in number and are usually found away from the cities and the village. Hence, it requires a largest number of components and long transmission line to supply the generated electricity to the required areas.
For the conclusion, hydropower plants are very vital energy source to the world. Water is an efficient and reliable fuel. The use, creation, and expansion of power plants should continue being pursued.